Welcome to the next concept, modularization at method level. In this session, you need to have one package and one class with different methods. So here you have to create one class. My task is to write area of circle and area of rectangle. For this, you have to create one class. Package name is pkg4 and class name is area. And you have to select main method. Create some method. Public void area. Inside you can give int l comma int b double return l into b. So again you have to take one more method, public double area1 inch. So what is the formula for area of triangle? First one is area of, let us have some good example. First one is related to area of rectangle and now area of triangle. So inch l comma int comma b. So take return 0.5 L into B. Now come to the method. What is the class name here? Area. What is the object here? Obj is equal to new area. Here take int R1 is equal to, what is the object here? Obj dot area. Here my arguments are two arguments. Assume that length is some 7.5 and here 4.5. Take another int R2 is equal to obj dot area1 and here you give some 4.5 and here you can give 3.5. Because every time you have to cache it because we're changing from one data type to other data type. That's why you have to type cache it. So what is the method here? Obj dot otherwise we will take in result in double only because for your understanding and don't give any double. Sorry, don't give any. Here also you give as double and here you need to give double. This is the primitive data type what you are giving. And try to run this program. Now yes, one more thing is you have to print the result. system dot out dot println R1 is equal to plus R1 plus R2 is equal to plus R2. So give some sufficient space. Let's save this and observe the result. R1 is equal to 33.5, R2 is equal to 7.875. Okay, this is the way you have to apply modularization at method level. Write package, write class name, and create multiple methods, and you call the multiple methods from the main method by creating object. That's it. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, put like and share with others. Thank you for watching.